So let's start the poem now, The Kite. Introduction I have already given you in the previous video. So the poet is Harry Behan and we are going to start the poem line by line. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail, then soars like a ship with only a sail. So here in the first line, the poet is feeling immense pleasure when he is flying a new kite. And we all know that when we are flying a new kite, then we all are feeling very happy when we are putting thread into it and going to start flying. Then we are very happy. Even when we are going for purchasing it, then also we are so happy that today we are going to fly a new kite. So that day also maybe the poet was flying a new kite, so he had written this poem for you. So here is a poem. So how bright on the blue. On the blue means blue color is given for the sky. So here the blue color is compared with the sky. Is a kite when it's new. And when the kite is new, then it looks so beautiful in the sky. Every new thing we feel good when we are wearing new clothes or wearing new shoes. So we are very happy with it. Same way by the kite, mostly the boys are very happy when they are flying a new kite. So that boy also was happy. Is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. With a dive and dip, what is a dive? Dive means gota. Jaise when you are going for swimming, you are going deep, diving into the water and then coming out. Same way, the kite is also diving in the wind and then एकदम से बाहर आ रही है, एकदम से अंदर जा रही है, means moving down, up and like this, and it snaps its tail. So it has a tail? No, the tail is referred to the thread. So it snaps its tail and then at once its tail means the thread of the kite is moving from our hands. It is going far away. Then soars like a ship with only a sail and then goes up and down there, and it actually rows itself up and down and moving like a ship. It is compared to a ship. When anything is compared to anything else, like the movement of the tailless kite is compared to a ship with sail, this is called simile. So here the kite is compared to the ship. It is moving like a ship going up and down. If you have seen any ship on the sea, then you can see that the ship is moving up and down with the motion of the water. The motion of the water is known as tides. In the next paragraph it is given, as over tides of wind it rides. So जैसे कि tides ऊपर नीचे होती हैं और ऐसे ही wind is also moving and then the kite is also moving up and down. Climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls. Climbs to the crest means crest is the upper part moving like a flow. So the crest is the topmost part. So it is going on the topmost part. Then sometimes when the air is stop moving, then it is coming down, and again then when we are pulling the thread, then again it is going up, and sometimes we leave the thread at once. Then it seems to rest as wind falls, and then the wind falls means the wind is sometimes stop moving. So when the wind stop moving, the kite is also at stationary. It is also not moving.